how you can change your PayPal's location country. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let's begin. First, what you'll have to do is go to paypal.com and log into your account. Now, after you log into your account, this is the interface that you'll have to deal with. Now, right here, what you'll need to do is go to the settings option that is right besides the notification and logout option. Tap on settings, and after you tap on settings, you will go to your profile page. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will see the addresses section. Now, right here, you have two options. First is to add another address, and another is to just edit the address that you already have. So just tap on edit or add, and after you do that, you will be able to just change your location, change it wherever you want. Let's just type in New York, and after you do that, you can change that too. You can change your city and so much more. You can even change your postal code, and after doing all that, just tap on done. It should be right down below, and yeah, just tap on update. Now let us see the another option, that is the one to add. So let us go here and tap on add addresses, and this is the page where you'll have to add the addresses. Now you can just type in your location right here and your zone and capital, and after doing that, type in your postal code. And if you want to make this your primary residential address, make sure that you check this box and tap on save. And after you do that, you will have changed your country location in your PayPal account. It's that easy, guys. And yeah, that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.